So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to open MySQL server using command prompt. So all you have to do is just, first of all, you need to go to the local disk C, go to program files, search for MySQL, click on MySQL server, then bin, and then you need to copy the path here. Just click on copy, open command prompt, CMD, and then write CD double quote, and then inside the code paste it. Let's enter. And then under it, just type mysql.u as user, and then click right click root, and then -p, and then enter. It will ask you for your password, and just type your password. And as you can see, our MySQL server is opened successfully, and they ask me, let's type show databases, and we will have our databases here. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials.